Are you ready to capture the magic of a sunset in the city with watercolor? Join this class and learn how to paint a beautiful cityscape at sunset. Hi, my name is Alexandrina and I'm a watercolor artist with over 10 years of painting practice. I invite you to explore this beautiful world of watercolor with me. We will start with color mixing and main art materials. Then you will learn about color value studies and how it can help you to improve your final painting. And finally, we will dissolve in the painting process, where I describe and explain every step. Don't worry if you are new to watercolors, this class is designed for all skill levels, with simple instructions to make sure you succeed. However, a basic experience with watercolor will be very helpful. As a class project, you will paint a stunning watercolor cityscape of Venice at sunset. Please don't forget to submit your painting to the class project section and leave a review. It will help me to improve my future classes and for other students to understand if this class is a good fit for them. Ready to start? Grab your brushes and I hope to see you in the class.